How did the design process begin? What was your first contact with them like?
Honestly, this part what impressed me more, because before we start to work, they met with us and they asked about where are we working, what is our hobbies, what our child like to do, everything, which color we prefer, and after I understand that they are really professional, and we even sometimes call it in Zoom. So that really impressed me.
So, did that level of detail in getting to know you surprise you?
Actually, yes, because I felt like they know me more than myself, and even understood that the details what they asked from me, they will use it in the future for make some furniture or some details in the design. So yes, it impressed me also.
How many design concepts were you presented with, and how did the selection process work?
They made for us 3 design concepts, and actually I took some detail from one. For example, I took light from first concept, color palette from second, and something different from third. And I say to them, and they make it everything in a different one, so in the fourth. And I really liked that they understand me, that I didn't choose only one, and I choose from everything, and they make a mix for me, especially.
How did the fabric and material selection go?
When design concept was finalized, I went to the office and checked all samples, all materials. I saw it everything with my eye and I touched even. So I select everything which I like by myself.
Could you tell us a bit about the flooring and ceiling craftsmanship? Did the result meet your expectations?
Of course, it met my expectation because carpet in main living room, it's really incredible. And the light from different rooms, it's what my guests saw first. And they said that details really impressed them. And I like it also because all details matched and mixed with different design. That's what I liked.
With a project of this scale, design, materials, flooring, ceilings, furnitures, how did the timeline hold up?
You know, I didn't have any delay and everything was on schedule. So I'm really happy for that because I know my friend, they tried to do also design concept in their villa and they had a really big delay. Some problems maybe, I don't know. But in this company, we didn't have that.
How did your family react during the process?
You know, actually, my husband is really picky, and he needs to touch material before they bring it to home, and he didn't expect that the work will be so quality. And he even loved it when they asked about hobby in interview. So I didn't really expect that he will love so much. And my children right now, they so happy live in their new room. And me too, also, of course. I love this villa so much.
How would you describe the overall atmosphere of the villa? With this holistic approach from design through the flooring, ceiling and furniture?
I can say it's warm, elegant, and at the same modern. Because for me it was important to feel at home like us, and cozy, and like my energy inside my home. And I really feel right now, of course, they asked in interview everything about my family, colors, hobby, our work, and it's possible only in this way.
Lastly, I'm genuinely curious. With a project this extensive from design to material to flooring to ceiling, was there really nothing you weren't happy with working with Sagist Group?
I expected also that some problem will come. Of course, it can be possible, but we didn't have any. It was really impressed, and all from beginning to the end was really really. And now I'm happy with that project, and I can suggest that group for people for make design to home, to some office maybe, and really I like to work with them.
Really nice to see you again. Are you really happy in your new home?
I'm really happy. I'm also happy to see you.
Yeah.
If you want, one day you can come to me.
Of
We can
course.
show you everything.
Of
Maybe
course.
we can cook something.
Yeah, maybe. Are
Okay.
your childs okay?
Yeah, everything is so good. Thank you so much. How about you?
I'm fine, I'm working.
Nice.
It's really busy this day.
Business.
Yeah, business.
Okay.